Today we're going to be making a watermelon feta salad. And this sounds really refreshing and delicious, perfect for summertime, a cookout, a barbecue, or just to eat. You're going to need a watermelon cubed and diced, some red onion, some crumbled feta. For the dressing, you're going to need some sea salt flakes, balsamic glaze, black fresh ground pepper, some garlic cloves, and some extra virgin olive oil. And for the balsamic glaze, it says to use the white balsamic glaze. I don't have that, but I think it's going to be fine. And you want to make sure, did I say cucumber? A cucumber as well. So let's put this together. I wanted to make it in this pretty bowl. I just think it'll look pretty. I did cut my watermelon up earlier so that the grandbabies could eat some of it. So I'm just going to move it to this pretty bowl. Not going to do all of it, but we will do some. I think it'll be really pretty though. I am not a huge watermelon fan. Chad loves watermelon. And I love cantaloupe, but I think this is going to be good. It sounds delicious to me. I think it looks pretty when you've got all your watermelon pieces cut up the same. I think that looks pretty. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to peel our cucumber and take the seeds out and chop it up. You know what? I'm just going to do it on this bowl because I got rid of all my plastic cutting boards and I have mine in the dishwasher and I don't want to wash it. Let me know, do you love watermelon? Have you ever tried this recipe before? I've seen it before. Never made it because, like I said, I'm not a huge watermelon fan, but I thought, you know, I may like it. I may like that. I don't know. Let's cut it in half here. I was going to get a German cucumber. My grocery store did not have one. I guess it's an English cucumber. We'll just use what we have, won't we? You could probably use a melon baller to get those out if you wanted to. These actually are very tiny. I don't think they're that big that it would probably even matter if you left those in there. But we'll go ahead and scrape it because that's what it says. And then we're going to dice it. My grandbaby made me a little bracelet with her name on it, so I'm wearing that. She said, Grammy, I made it because I love you. So I have to wear it. Okay, put these pieces in. This is easy to make too. It's mostly just chopping up stuff. There's not a whole lot of things to do to it. No cooking involved, which is my kind of recipe. Okay. Now it says 1 whole red onion, but I'm not going to use a whole red onion. I will probably just use about 1/4 of it. And it says to slice it thin, which I agree with. Very, very thin slices. looks really pretty, actually. I think that's beautiful. Let me cut some more of that onion up a little bit. I think that's going to give it a good flavor. Isn't that pretty? I think it is. Now, we're going to add some of our feta cheese crumbles. Okay. Oh, wow. I think that looks delicious, guys. I really do. Okay, let me get a bowl to make our dressing in. It says to use balsamic glaze. I've never opened this. I got this on my Marshall's food haul. And it smells good. Let's do, wait a minute. Let's do the olive oil first because it'll make it come out easier. It says for the olive oil to put in 3 tablespoons. So I've got a tablespoon here. Let's make our dressing. 1, 2, 3. Now, it says to use, oh, I forgot we need brown sugar too. I'll go back and get that. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Let me get that. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. It didn't say light or dark, so I just got the light. So, we'll do that. So 2 tablespoons, 1 and 2. Then we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and fresh black pepper. So you know what? I'm just going to eyeball it. A 1/4 teaspoon. So sea salt flakes. And some fresh black pepper, which I don't think you can get too much on that. And a clove of garlic. I'm going to do 1 clove of garlic. I put 2 in there because they were sort of small. And then some balsamic vinegar. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon because, like I said, you're supposed to use the white vinegar, balsamic vinegar, but I don't have it. So let's try this and see what it tastes like and what we want to do to it. That's what it's looking like. Balsamic glaze is white balsamic vinegar that's been reduced. Okay. That is delicious. That is really good. That is really good. Oh my. That dressing is amazing. Now, I love balsamic glaze, so if you're not a balsamic glaze fan, you may not care for it. But let's move you closer and let you see what I'm dealing with here, how good it looks. Oh, wow. That, I think this looks and smells amazing. And I'm going to give an honest review. I always do. Okay. What do we think? Let's put a little bit more feta cheese, it said. Now, it did call for fresh mint and basil, which I think would make it amazing because watermelon is delicious with mint. So, if you've got some, use that. Okay, guys, I thought I was filming and I wasn't. Excuse the way I look. I've had Grammy school today. I've got 2 days of Grammy school left this year. We're still going to school. And this is my 8th year that I've done it. I've watched my granddaughters full time until they started school. And my oldest one is 8, and the youngest one will start kindergarten in the fall. So anyway, that's bittersweet. But let's try this delicious salad. I did do a review, but it wasn't filming, so we'll do it again. Watermelon, cucumber, and onion. That's delicious. And that feta is salty. Y'all, this is amazing. That is so good. Okay. It needs more salt. Maybe because it's watermelon, and watermelon tastes better with salt. It's delicious. It's so good. And I'm not a huge watermelon fan, seriously. This has blown my mind, which I sort of thought it would, because all those components are really delicious. If you love watermelon and feta, you'll love it. Oh my. I'm eating this out of the bowl because I know my husband won't eat it. He doesn't like feta. It's great. Chad, this salad is amazing. It is. Maybe I can talk him into trying it. And guys, that balsamic glaze, you really don't taste balsamic. Like I said, balsamic glaze is white vinegar balsamic that's been cooked down, simmered down. It's amazing. That's so good. I've got to refill my oil bottles. All right. I hope you all make that. That is delicious. I am so surprised by that because I'm not a huge watermelon fan, but that is delicious. I really cannot tell you how good that is. And I would say that calorie-wise, it's really good. So anyway, I hope you give it a try. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do that as well. Give me a thumbs up or a like. It really helps me out, or leave me a comment. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I've got lots of cookout videos coming, and check out some of my past videos. I have a lemon series, a Cinco de Mayo series, a Mother's Day series, a Memorial Day series, all kinds of good food. Over 700 videos. Check it out on my YouTube. Also, if you don't follow me on Facebook and Instagram, I would love for you to do that as well. See you in the next video. Bye. Guys, Chad ended up trying this and he loved it as well. I sent some to my son and his wife and they loved it. So it was a winner all around. I hope you'll give it a try.